guys, what's up? It's Kris Patrick, the Knife Brother, here for another exciting video on the Cutco Gadget. This time, we're going to be talking about the ice cream scooper. It's people's favorite gadget in the line. I'm not a big ice cream guy, but I do empathize with their feelings. It's an amazing scooper. So we're going to talk about the highlights, features, and benefits of this amazing ice cream scooper. And we're going to talk about what makes one ice cream scooper different from the other. And now let's go over some of the features of the ice cream scooper. Now, one of the main things I like about the ice cream scooper is that it's got this nice chrome look to it. It's very heavy. It's hard to tell in the video, but this thing is very stout. It also has an alloy coating on it that allows it to interact with the coolness of the ice cream, melting the ice cream for you. So you don't have to be digging in and putting so much pressure, breaking all your kitchen tablespoons. This thing is heavy and up to the task when it comes to getting through your ice cream. All right, so let's talk about another feature that I like is that it's got the non-slip grip like all of the Cutco gadgets have. It has a nice point here to it so you can dig in nice and easy. It's hard to tell, but when you put it on the kitchen countertop, it sits up instead of rolling over, so you're not making a mess with any other the leftover ice cream. We're gonna get into cutting some ice cream so you can see this thing in action. And here to offer me a little bit of assistance while I get through the ice cream is my lovely fiance, Susanna.
Hi.
Susanna, if you could have me the ice cream, please. We're gonna get going on this. Ooh, do y'all like strawberry? If I do eat ice cream, I'm doing strawberry. Let's talk about this. You're gonna see that it starts to dig in, and this ice cream is pretty hard, but you can just see as we get into here, it's starting to sink in, allowing us to scoop up. Now, if you want to do the nice rolls, I'm actually not too good at that. Let's try it out. And there you go. You got your ice cream. Bon appetit. All right, guys, that's their ice cream for you and the Cutco Ice Cream Scooper. If you want to know more details on the Cutco Ice Cream Scooper, just reach out to the Knife Brother, and I will be glad to tell you a little bit more about its features and benefits or send you one out to your house. All right, guys, Kris Patrick here with Susanna, and we'll see you next time in another video. Bye.
Bye.